Our employment and labor law practice encompasses supporting both employers and employees alike across the entire employment relationship cycle. We advise on all aspects of the employment relationship, from things to do with recruitment. An employer wants to onboard new hires, we can help you structure everything nicely and within legal confines. To contracting, you want to onboard after the recruitment process is done, we can help you with drafting the contracts. To termination, the employment relationship has ended and you want to conduct a lawful termination, we can help you or advise you on how to undertake the termination process lawfully and in a procedurally compliant manner. We also advise on post-employment claims. A termination process has occurred and maybe there are post-employment claims that follow up on that. Depending on the nature of the claim, we can help you prepare and respond accordingly to the respective claims. We draft and review employment contracts just to ensure that they are fully aligned with the Employment Act of Kenya and that there are no oversights or gaps within the contract. We also advise on general HR policies and separation packages for employees who are exiting the organization. We also support employers conduct internal investigations and also conduct lawful disciplinary processes. This is a very sensitive area in this country where if there is a single misstep in the disciplinary process, then the entire process can be invalidated by a court of law and an employer can be forced to pay off huge monetary claims in the form of damages and terminal dues payable to the aggrieved employee. So we can help you structure this. We make sure that disciplinary processes are conducted within the confines of the employment laws. We also represent employees alike. So if you're an employee and you're facing an unfair termination claim, or you're unsure if the termination process was lawfully done, or you're having doubts about how the process was done, you're having doubts about whether you're paid your full terminal dues, then we can advise you accordingly based on a review of your case. We also advise on cross-border employment structuring as well as expatriate contracting. And if you're an employer and you want to engage a foreigner to work for you, we advise you on the do's and don'ts in terms of procuring work permits for these foreigners to come and work for you, and just ensure that everything is structured and aligned within the law. Whether resolving a live dispute or coming up with systems to prevent one, we help clients, both employers and employees alike, approach employment law with clarity, balance, and control.